Hey buddies, welcome back to my channel once again. So in our last video we have seen how to make seashell mural using texture paste. In this video we are going to see how to make this texture paste using only two ingredients. And here is the one that I have got from the stationery shop, and this is 100 ml 150 rupees. This is absolutely not budget friendly, so I think this video will be helpful for you too. So let's get into the video. In the first place we need a container that's airtight, so that we can store this texture paste for a little long time. And this is the texture paste I got from the craft shop. This is 150 rupees. So instead of that we are going to make texture paste using plaster of Paris. That's 35 rupees only, 1 kg. And this is Fevicol, that's 225 rupees. This is also 1 kg. I usually buy 1 kg or 2 kg Fevicol because this will come for a long run. Take an airtight container and in that take 2 tablespoons of plaster of Paris. Instead of plaster of Paris you can also use talcum powder or marble powder or even white cement. And to this I am adding 1 spoon of white glue. This is optional, you can add white acrylic color, or else if you want any kind of texture paste you can add colors to this. And finally we need to add 1 tablespoon of water. Now mix this without getting any lumps inside this. If this is too flowy or watery you can also add some amount of plaster of Paris again, but do not make this too hard. Now let's test this on a cardboard. So here are the alternates for plaster of Paris. Those are white cement, baby powder or talcum powder, also marble powder. You can use any of them. You can make any kind of design on this or just scribble over that. But for now I'm making sea designs like waves. I really like this ocean concept, so I'm always into that. As you can see, there is a seashell project on the right side of this video that was made the last video of mine. So if you haven't seen that, you can go to that link that I have given in the description box. Let's take some seashells on this. This texture paste is really strong, so you can stick any stuff over this. Now put on some sand, dry sand over this. Always store this texture paste in an airtight container and store in fridge. If you see the texture paste getting hard, you just need to do one thing, that is just add a little bit of water and mix them, and you can use as usual. Now this is dried. I'm brushing away the extra sand. And now we can color this with any kind of colors. So since this is sea concept, waves concept, I am giving blue color to this. I'm giving gradient to this color. So as I am reaching the sand part, I'm making this lighter and lighter. Cover all the white particles. Also cover the sand in the border with this blue color. There are other ways to make this texture paste, so in the coming videos I'll be showing you how to make those too. This is not the only method to make this texture paste, so stay updated with this channel. So in this border I am adding metallic silver color. You can get this from any craft shop or art shop. Also it's available online. These are called metallic colors. These are available in gold, copper and silver. So I think for this silver is suitable, so I prefer this color. I am giving a touch of silver to these waves also. I really like the shiny thing. And finally we are done. This is the one I have made in the last video, so if you really wish to see this one, I have given the link in the description box. Thanks for watching this video. So if you really like this video and this channel, please give a thumbs up and also subscribe and press the bell icon and comment below your opinions and ideas, because that really matters me a lot. Your comments are the only thing that really motivates me, so please comment below. That is really motivating for me and helpful. Thank you.